Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a stir fry tempeh and basil. So now for ingredients, let's check down below. The main ingredients we use is going to be tempeh and basil. So now if you see my tempeh, I cut it long like this to make it like a strip. And then I seasoned with, or I submerged with salt water here to give you a little bit of seasoning on the tempeh itself. I'm going to leave it here for about 10 to 15 minutes just to coat a bit the salt, so it gives you that savory salty from the tempeh when you fry. And the basil that I use, this is a Thai basil, but if you can't use Thai basil, you can use any basil you like. You get Italians or somewhere else. And then now we're gonna go to our season. For the spice that I'm gonna use over here, you will need about 4 cloves of garlic, and then these shallots, I'm using about 3, but this is a giant shallots. But if you have a small one, you need about 6. I'm using jalapeno over here to give me a little bit more kick, but you can completely skip this if you don't like spicy. I use about 8 to 10 a small chili, or the bird's eye chili. This is very spicy. If you don't like spicy, you can completely skip those also. And this is the most important part. So I'm using 2 red chili over here, the big one. This is not spicy. So if you guys don't like spicy food, you can use a couple of these to make the blended spice, or to make the spice. One more ingredients that I use, this is totally optional. You can completely skip this or you can use it. So me, I like use the boiled quail eggs. So this is the quail eggs. I boil it. It's a hard boil, so I'm going to use this also. But if you don't like it, the main ingredients stay with basil and the tempeh itself. For the seasonings, you will need the chicken powder, salt, turmeric powder, sugar, and then oyster sauce. So now let's get to cooking. So first thing first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop using our food processors everything except the jalapeno. So the jalapeno, I'm going to slice it to make it pretty to the dish. And then for this one, you need to chop it. You don't have to be specifically like fine, but it's, you know, it's, make sure it's completely plain, it's completely chopped up. Alright guys, so this is the consistency that you're looking for your spices. You don't want to completely destroy them, but you want to chop up pretty nicely like this. Now for the tempeh, you know, after you submerge it in the salt water for about 10-15 minutes, you want to drain all the water and then tap them dry. And now we're gonna get ready to fry the tempeh first. Alright guys, now we're gonna fry the tempeh. We're gonna fry until it's crisp. So this is how your tempeh is supposed to be look like. It's supposed to be golden brown like this. It's still nice and moist inside the tempeh. So after you fry your tempeh, now we're gonna cook our spice. We're gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. You know when the spice is good to go. Usually it gives you a good fragrance. All the aromatic is out and it's good to go. You want to cook this on a medium heat to make sure you don't burn all the spice. And then at the same time, we're gonna put the jalapeno too. We're gonna keep cooking until all the fragrance is out. Okay, so when the spice is all fragrant, all the aromatic is out. Now for the seasoning, you need about half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We're gonna cook this a little bit. And now we're gonna add our tempeh, the quail egg, if you decided to use it. We're gonna mix them all up. Now we're gonna add about 100 ml of water and the basil. Now we're gonna keep cooking this until the basil is pretty much soft, or you see the water is about to be done. Now as you can see, if I just slide this, there is no more water left, or just a little bit water left. So that's pretty much is done. So now I want to turn off the heat and then transfer this to a serving plate. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like, our stir fry tempeh and basil. So now, if you guys having a hard time to find a quail, or maybe you live where tempeh is not accessible, you can change tempeh to tofu. You can completely skip the quail eggs, absolutely. Or to make your life easier, you can change all of this into a hard-boiled egg. And I'm pretty sure 100%, no matter where you live, you can find eggs. So, like I told you, you can change the tempeh quail eggs just with the regular hard-boiled eggs only. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.